For over 20 years, one certification has opened more doors in networking than any other. But the network you trained on is not the network you'll work on tomorrow. Welcome to the Modern CCNA. The role of the network engineer has fundamentally changed. We've moved from being operators, typing commands one device at a time, to becoming orchestrators. Today's engineers don't just configure routers. They integrate AI, automate at scale, and design hybrid infrastructure that spans on-premises, cloud, and edge. On May 20, 2026, Cisco made a historic announcement. For the first time since 2019, the CCNA blueprint is undergoing a major redesign. This isn't a minor refresh. It's a complete rethinking of what an entry-level network engineer needs to know to be job-ready on day one. The new CCNA stands on 4 foundational pillars. Each pillar reflects the real-world skills employers demand in an AI-driven era. Let's break them down. Pillar 1. Network infrastructure. The fundamentals remain non-negotiable. Routing, switching, IP addressing, VLANs, wireless, and IP services. If you can't design and configure the underlying fabric, nothing else matters. The CCNA still validates that you own the basics. Pillar 2. Troubleshooting and problem solving. Cisco is moving beyond pure memorization. The new exam emphasizes scenario-based, hands-on labs. You'll be expected to think like an engineer, isolate the fault, validate hypotheses, and resolve issues under pressure. Practical skills, not just recall. Pillar 3. A security-first mindset. Security is no longer a separate domain. It's woven into every decision a network engineer makes. From port security and ACLs to zero-trust principles and threat awareness, the modern CCNA expects you to secure the network from the moment you design it. Pillar 4. And this is the headline change. The role of AI in network management and operations. The modern CCNA now tests your understanding of how AI integrates with networking. Think AI-assisted troubleshooting, intelligent automation, AIOps, and how machine learning is reshaping the day-to-day work of network engineers. This is what makes the CCNA truly future-ready. Here's your timeline. The new exam topics were published on May 20, 2026. The refreshed exam goes live on February 3, 2027. Until then, the current CCNA 200 to 301 remains fully valid. If you're studying right now, don't switch tracks. Cisco has built a long runway so every candidate has time to prepare. The modern CCNA isn't just a certification update. It's Cisco's declaration of what the next decade of networking looks like. Network infrastructure, troubleshooting, security-first thinking, and AI fluency. Start today. Build the skills employers actually need. And take your first step into the future of networking. This is the modern CCNA.